Hello, welcome to another interesting video on my channel. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how to integrate Paystack payment gateway with J2Store. J2Store is one of the best and popular shopping cart and e-commerce extensions for the Joomla CMS. And it is free for most part. You can download and install it on your Joomla website, set it up and start selling in few minutes. Okay. Paystack payment gateway is a modern and popular payment gateway in some African countries like Nigeria, Ghana, and then South Africa. It helps businesses in those countries get paid by anyone, anywhere in the world using credit card and a host of other payment channels. Okay. To integrate Paystack to your J2Store website, all you need to do is go to j2store.org and then hover your mouse over the extensions menu and click on Payment Plugins. This will take you to the Payment Plugins page where you can see a lot of payment plugins for the J2Store extension. So in the search box, you enter Paystack and then click on the Go button here. Okay, this will show the Paystack plugin for J2Store. Simply click on the Read More button here. Okay, this will open up the Paystack plugin page where you can now see the download button and the documentation button. Okay. To download the Paystack plugin, you simply click on the download button here. This will take you to a third-party website where you can now download the Paystack plugin for J2Store. Alternatively, you can use the link in the description of this video to get to this page without wasting much time. Okay, so you simply click on the download now button here. Okay, here you enter your details. First, you enter your email address, then enter your password, enter your password again, enter your name, and select your country from the drop down. Under license, you select the license you want to use depending on the number of websites where you want to install the plugin. For a single website, you select the single website option. For two websites, you select the two websites option. Okay. Then scroll down and select the preferred payment method you want to use to pay for this plugin. Okay. Then under privacy policy, you tick the checkbox beside the privacy policy. Then under I accept terms and conditions, you tick the checkbox if you accept the terms and conditions on this website, and then click the I am not a robot captcha box. Okay. Then click on the process button here to process the payment. This will take you to the gateway of your preferred payment method. After, you will be returned to the website where you can now log in and download the plugin you just paid for. So let's click on the login link here to log in. Okay, here we log in with the email address and then password we created earlier. Okay, here we click on the subscription download. Okay, here is the plugin we just paid for. We click on the download button here to download the plugin and save it to our computer. After the download, the next step is to install this plugin on our website. So we go to the admin side of our Joomla website and log in. Okay, here we go to extensions, manage, and click on install. Here we have two options to install the extension. We can drag and drop the zip file we just downloaded onto this space to install it, or we can click the browse button here to locate the file on our computer. So for me, I will use the drag and drop option. Here I will drag the zip file we just downloaded to this space to install the Paystack plugin on our website. Okay, the installation of the plugin was successful. So next we go to J2Store, setup, and then payment methods. Then we locate the Paystack payment method and click on the link to configure it. First, we change the status to enabled so that we can display the Paystack payment option in the storefront. Okay. Then under payment option title, here you enter the name that you want to display for the Paystack payment method. Okay, and then under display logo, you can select the logo you want to display for the Paystack payment method. Then under Paystack mode, here we have two modes, the test mode and the live mode. The test mode is for when you are testing your installation, and the live mode is when your website is live and ready to collect real payments. You can now change it to live mode. Please don't leave it to test mode in a live environment where you are expected to collect real payments. Okay. Then under Paystack payment method, here you can select the payment style that you want to use. You have the modal pop-up. Here the customer will be able to pay you without leaving your website. But if you select the redirect standard method, the customer will be redirected to a unique checkout page on the Paystack website where they will be able to complete payment for their order. Okay, so we leave it at redirect. Then under live secret key, here we need to log into our Paystack dashboard to get the secret key. Okay, so we go to Paystack. Then if you don't have a Paystack account, you can always click on the create free account button here to create a free account on the Paystack website. For me, I already have a Paystack account, so I will click on the login link here to log into my dashboard. Okay, here I will enter my login details to log into my Paystack account. Okay, here we click on the user icon on the top left side of the web page and click on the preferences link. Then here we click on the API keys and webhooks link to get the required live secret key. And here is my live secret key. If I want to get it, I will click on the show button here. This will require me to enter my password to get the key. I'll enter my password and click on the continue to show the key. Here I will click on the copy button to copy the live secret key. So I will go back to my website and enter the live secret key. Then under live public key, we need to go to our Paystack dashboard and get it also. So here is our live public key. So we click on the copy button here to copy it and then paste it into the live public key field on our website. Then under test secret key, we need to get it from our Paystack dashboard also. So we go back to our Paystack dashboard and scroll down to the test secret key field. Here we click on the show button and click on the copy button to copy the test secret key. Then we go back to our website and paste it. Then under paste public key, we also get it from our Paystack dashboard. So we click on the copy button here and then paste it also on our website. Okay, then under article ID for thank you message, here we can select an article that we want to display to customers after they must have a completed payment. Okay, then under GeoZone, we can select the GeoZone that we want this payment method to be applicable to. Okay, then under display text on selection, here we enter the text we want to display when customers select this payment method. Then under display text before payment, here we enter the text we want to display before customers make a payment using this payment method. Okay, then under display text on after payment, here we enter the text that we want to display to customers after they must have completed a payment. Under display text on error in payment, here we enter a text we want to display when customers experience error in making payment using this payment method. Okay, then under display text if customer cancels payment, here we enter the text that we want to display when a customer cancels payment. Okay, then under payment button text, here we enter the text we want to display for the order button. Okay, you can enter a language constant here and this will be translated depending on the active language in the storefront. Okay, then under debug, we will leave it at no, and after we click on the save and close button to save the Paystack payment method configuration. Okay, so we click the button here. And then the Paystack payment method option will show up in the storefront when customers want to select payment method for their order. Okay, they can select the Paystack option and click on the continue button. Okay, and when they click on the place order button, this will take them to the Paystack website where they can complete payment for their order. Okay, I'm using the test mode, so click on pay. Okay, after payment, we'll be redirected back to the website. Okay, so this is how to integrate Paystack payment gateway to your J2 Store. And thank you for watching this video. And if you gained any value from this video, please click on the like button below this video and also subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I drop an interesting video on my channel. So thank you and peace.